This 2012 Heartland Torque 291 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Heartland is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, slideout, water heater, smoke detector, awning, Colorado detector, microwave, leveling jacks, DVD player, oven, stove top burner, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Heartland Torque 291 is 9,780 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.